Welcome to my channel. Tutorial. Helpful. And pasti free access.
Hello guys, good morning, welcome back to my channel. Today we will learn how to create business card. But please, before you start, please download the material from link description. If you don't, now for the step, we will create a new canvas. Go to the file menu, then choose new. Then I will start to type my name, and then I will set width and height. Also I set the resolution. If done, click OK. Now we have a new canvas, and now I will create a new object from rectangle tool. There is. I will create new object. Okay, still white color, I will change to black color. Okay, now we have two layers, background and rectangle layer. Then I will go to the file menu, then choose open. I will open file, I think material file for this project. Yes, right, we have 3 pictures. I will start to move the position of photo 3, black background. Still same wise, Ctrl plus A to selection, then Ctrl plus C to copy. And Ctrl plus V to paste. Tara! Now we have 3 layers. Then I will set the size of this picture. Ctrl plus T to transform, so we can set the size of this object. Remember, Ctrl plus T. If done, click checklist in option tool. Then I will change first the name of layer 3 to photo 3. Then I will create masking like this. Now already mesh. Then I will go to the toolbox menu, then choose brush tool, so we can use the effect. And I will set the brush first in option tool. You can free choose brush tool. Example, I use it. Then I will set again the brush like this. Then I will set the size of my brush. It's done. You can apply in your picture. Remember, for this action you need make your layer masking. Like this. create
to
a new
smart
object from pen tool.
Okay, like
That is pen
this.
tool. Then don't forget to set it in option
And
tool to
now
be saved.
your layer shape
Then I will start, click,
has matched.
click, then hold, drag in the bottom like this. Then click Note Alt plus click like this. Then you can go to pen tool again, then choose convert point, so you can easy to make your object bend like this. Then I will choose pen tool again to create the second line, click hold like this. Okay, then alt plus click again in this node. Okay, oh, lagging, I think. Okay, now it's fine. Then I will set my line so my object can be perfect bend. Okay, then I will duplicate this object from my layer, right click, then duplicate layer. Okay, I will drag the object copy like this. Then I will set the position, Ctrl plus T. Remember to change the position or change the size of your object. You can use transform menu, or you can use Ctrl plus T. You can easy to edit your object like this. If you can Ctrl plus T, you can also use edit menu, then choose free transform, is still same wise. Okay, like this. Don't forget to click checklist in option tool, see my cursor. Okay, then I will go to layer again, then duplicate again. Now I'm going again to create new object from pen tool, or the stick object like this. I will make it slow. I'll push click like this, then click again for this position. like this. Then in the node all plus click again, then go to pen tool, then choose convert point like this. Then go to toolbox menu again, then pen tool again, so you can change the color, fill color, white to red like this. Then I will set the position for this shape object. Okay, like this. Remember, click, then click hold, then drag, so you can object or your line can bend. Alt plus click to cut the curve like this. Click. Okay. Now we are going to selection all shape layer. You can control plus click like this, control plus click, control plus click, right click, then choose convert to smart object like this. And now your layer shape already made. Then for the next effect, you can go to photo 2, selection first, Ctrl plus A, then Ctrl plus C to copy, then go back to your canvas, Ctrl plus V to paste, then you can set the size of this picture, Ctrl plus T like this, and checklist, and rename the layer to be photo 2, then right click, choose create clipping mask. Ta-da! Now has been clipping mask. Then you can set the position, still same, Ctrl plus T to transform this position. Okay, I think enough for this position. Then I will click checklist, and now I will go to toolbox menu to edit this position. I will choose smooth tool, then I will set the size in my option tool, done like this. Click, hold, then drag. Remember, click, hold, then drag. So you can manipulation color. Okay, click, hold, then drag. And next I will click this layer, see my cursor, right click, then choose blending option. Right, I will give the shadow effect, the drop shadow effect like this. Click OK, and click again for this position, right double click, then I will set the drop shadow effect like this. You can preview. Now I will going to copy the photo one, Ctrl plus A to selection, then Ctrl plus C to copy, go back to your canvas, Ctrl plus V to paste, then you can Ctrl plus T to move the position, then set your picture again like this, rotate, then check this. Now I'm going to create a new object again from type tool. Now you already finished, then you can go to the file menu to save this project. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to try at your home. Okay, see you next week. Bye bye.